Hi students, coming to the next topic in operating system, that is the segmentation. So what do you mean by this segmentation? So in the previous videos I explained about the paging concept. Now let us see the segmentation. A segmentation is nothing but it is a small unit of program. A program, whatever you have written, that program is consisting of collection of segments. Means you can call it as a modules. So the modules that are present in the program, that you call it as a segmentation. So let me write a program. A program is a collection of segments, or a process you can take. A program is a collection of segments. So here a segment is a logical unit. So whatever the program that consisting of that program is a collection of segment. So exactly the segment is just a logical unit, such as main program. So main program you call it as a segment, or else you call a procedure that is present in the main program is a segment, or a function which is present in the main program or outside the main program is also called as a segment. Or local variables, global variables, or common blocks, or even stacks that are present in the program, or the symbol tables that we use in the program or a process, or even arrays. So these are all called as a segments. So this segments is nothing but it is a logical unit consisting of all these modules. Now let us see the logical view of segmentation. So what exactly, how this logical view, I said the segmentation is a logical unit. So now let us see the logical view of segmentation. So let us take, suppose this is a user space. So user here, user is, that is a user program. User, let me write user space. Okay, so this user process is having a set of segments. So this is one segment. Let us take, this is a subroutine of the program, subroutine. And here suppose let us take the stack, and here suppose if you take the symbol table, and or else you can take the main program. So in this user space, the program, so here whatever the user is giving the input, so that user is program consisting of set of segments. So this is a collection of, a program is a collection of segments. So this completely a program. This program is a collection of segments. So this is a segment, subroutine, stack is one segment, and symbol table, and main memory. So here the user specifies each address by two quantifiers. The user always specifies, each address. So each segment is having some address, right? So each address by two quantities. So what are those two quantities? So with the help of segment name and segment offset. Offset is nothing but it's the address. Okay, so each address, so address of subroutine consisting of segment name, that is a subroutine, and the subroutine offset, and stack name offset, and symbol table offset. So if you know that segment name and the offset, then the CPU can can get the data in that particular address location and execute the program. So that everything is a logical view. Okay, and whatever the result that you want to store in the main memory unit, so that is the physical memory, physical space. So this is a logical address. So this is completely stored in logical address. So this logical address contains a tuples like what it is, segment name, and the offset. So the logical address consisting of these two quantifiers. So that is the segment name and the offset. So let me explain with simple example. So just I am taking, suppose this is a user space and this is the physical memory. So the user space consisting of segments like 1, 2, 4, 3. So total they are having the 4 segments. And here this is the memory unit. So 1, 4, 2, 3. So this is a logical address. This logical address space. And this is the physical memory space. So here the logical address space use the large programs, and these large programs will be converted, execute with the help of the CPU and stores in the physical memory space in the form of frames. So the physical memory consisting of frames, so those segments will be stored in the physical memory space. So in between this you are having the memory management unit. So that memory management unit will be convert the logical address to the physical address. So in the next video I'll explain about the segmentation architecture with one example. Then you will clearly understand how this segmentation will be done in the memory management unit. Thank you.